wasted the last 10 years dreaming of murdering Serrano. Saving him just don't sit right.
You could have killed him. You had opportunities.
Gotta get you out of here. Undo some of my mess.
Those many years ago, after we discovered the truth about Serrano, we could have disappeared into the outer quads, hidden and been safe.
But I dragged you all to the far reaches of the Dark Plains hunting the good general. Yeah, I know, Ishii.
I don't think you do. Your thirst to murder Serrano for his crimes was never about revenge. It was a righteous mission to avenge the many innocents he used us to kill. You led us on a quest for atonement, a chance to reclaim our souls. I always knew I would likely die for this pursuit.
You think too highly of my motives.
No matter what happens, no matter what I say as I lose possession of my mind, know this. You are my brother. I followed you of free will, and I do not hold you accountable.
You remember the Novak job? Trishka was the girl. Yeah, Novak's daughter. And I failed to stop Serrano from killing her.
I had no idea.
Yeah. We're gonna get to that jump ship. But the moment we're clear of this hole,
we'll scalp that mother. Creeps! Up above us! Taking cover! To the right! Behind us! Engaging!
Work's done, General. You can come on out of your piss-so-coward corner.
Always let underlings take care of the mopping.
Hear that, Ishii? Trudging through that radioactive goo mutated our good general into a giant wimp.
Come on, tunnel up ahead.
Just hope Wimpzilla can fit through it. Toxic goo everywhere. Guess we know what twisted these inmates up.
You don't know nothing. You're killing up Confederate citizens, boy. Tourists who missed the evac ships came down here to hide from the rampaging prisoners topside.
Oh, Jesus.
Might have been some kindly school teacher. Mother of three, you just got it.
You should learn to better hide the elation in your voice.
Ballsy, coming up! Hey, they're not interested in us.
They are terrified.
Gray's dear mother must be nearby, handing out mouth jobs.
Look at that, burning through rock!
Mutates, full of radioactive hemolymph.
Stay close.
Some manner of migration.
Yeah, Juju. Got my keister in a pucker.
Ugh, never a good sign. There, that lift is operational.
Trying to destroy the lift! These little ball sacks are hunting us!
Don't let them near those cogs! They're gonna melt the turbine!
You call that shooting? You even aiming?
We cannot afford mistakes.
You missed!
All used up.
Ears are half rotted.
Focus your fire, you dope! Pathetic!
That chamber is gated. Get inside!
Let's go!
Too damn close.
That wasn't a thing. Hate to see you shiver your way through a real fight.
You're trying too hard, General. Just relax. Let the overcompensating come natural-like.
Look at her! Look what you treasonous sons of whores done to my baby!
Clock is ticking. We need to get down there. That crane steel line will hold us.